convert my Word document to a PDF. Okay, I can quickly do that here. Okay, with this other tab here. So you can also add your own tab if you wish. Okay, you can add your own tab. All right, we will also see how that is done later, but let's talk about these ones now. So now back to the ribbon again. So we said these tabs, these ones are called tabs. And what you also notice on the design is that under each tab there are what we call commands, like this B, these ones now, they are called commands. Okay, you can see them. Paste, copy, this, all these ones are called commands. commands. Okay, and also when you look at the commands, they are in what we call groups. So here you can see below these ones here, there is a line here that is separating this group from this other group here. You can see the line clearly. So this group, all these commands here now, between this line and this other line here, they belong to what is called the font group. You can see the group name is clearly stated here. So these other ones now, from this other line here to this other line, all these commands here, they belong to the paragraph group. Okay, good. How about this one? This other group is styles, right?
The style.
Okay, good. So this is the styles group. Then you have other groups as well. Okay, so you might not be seeing some of this, okay, with your program if you are having a different version with me, but the concept is almost the same thing, huh? So it doesn't matter what you have. What is important is the concept. So the reason why we need to know these things is because during practicals, okay, I may ask you, okay, go to the home group or go to the insert group under this, go to the insert tab rather, under this particular group, you click on this command from there. So if you don't know where to get the groups or the commands, then there it becomes a problem. So we need to also know those things. Okay, then beside each group also, for some you can see that you have a down pointing arrow, huh? You can see. So this is called a dialog box launcher. DIALOGBOXLAUNCHER, a dialog box launcher. Now what this dialog box launcher does is that this gives you access to more commands. Okay, so because due to the screen size, all the commands under this particular group cannot be displayed here at the same time. So we have some that are kind of hidden, that are not showing here. So if you want to see those commands, then you click on the dialog box launcher to show them to you, so you can see they are here, huh? Okay, those commands are here. So you click on them and then apply. They will be applied to your text. So that box, that arrow rather, at the bottom of the group is called a dialog box launcher. So when you say a dialog box launcher, you should know this is called the dialog box launcher. Okay, okay, so that will be for the ribbon. So remember, in the ribbon we said we have tabs. Those are home, insert, draw. Okay, those are the tabs. And then under the tabs we have what we call commands, that is these ones. Okay, like this B, I and U. Okay, they are commands. And then the commands also, they are into what we call groups, and group names usually it is here. Okay, so no matter what tab you are into, you will always see commands with group names, and dialog box launchers in some cases. So for dialog box launchers, not all groups will have it. Okay, all right, so it's only available for groups that have more commands that are not all displayed at the same time. Okay, so for here you can see this group doesn't have it, this one don't have, this one don't have, but all these ones they have, because they have more commands that wouldn't show up here. Okay, all right, so that's also important to note. Okay, so if you could remember, earlier on I mentioned that you can add your own ribbon tab. Okay, you can add your own tab in the ribbon here and give it a name. So to do that is simple. What you do is just go to any of the groups like this one here, and then not necessarily clicking on it. Okay, just point at it, just point at the group like this, then right click. So when you right click on it, you will see what customize ribbon. So if you click on customize ribbon, it gives you this very scary something. Okay, so here what you do is you click on new tab. Okay, new tab is here. Now for the tab, you can give it a name. Okay, so you click here and rename. So I'm gonna call this Lamin. Okay, now under the tab also, each tab need to have a group. So if you want, you can do a group, or you can just leave that. So I'm going to do a group, and I will call it, I will rename it deba. Okay, so you also have an option to add a symbol to the group. If you want to add a symbol beside the group name, you can also do that. Okay, so now you see I have my tab and I have my group name as well. Okay, so next thing that I need to do is to add commands. Let's say add table. I'll click on that here and add. So that will be under this, you see. I'll also pick another command like this and say add. So let's say I'm done, then I click OK. So now if I go back to my ribbon, then I would find that tab there, Lamin, and the Lamin is here now. And then you can see my commands, and you can also see the group name. Okay, so that's how you add the ribbon tab. So don't worry, because I'm recording this, so maybe later after the class you can watch the recording and practice it yourself. But for now I'm going to proceed. So you see I have now added my own ribbon tab with a group name. Okay, and also I have commands in that particular group. So if I want to delete this, I'll go to customize ribbon, then this is here, then okay, how do I remove it? Okay, remove, then now okay, now it's gone. It's no more there. Okay, so I have added and remove it. So like I said, it's being recorded. After the class you can watch the recording and acquaint yourself more on it. Okay, all right, so now with Office 365 you have additional features like you can comment, okay, or if you